Hey everyone, this is FilmoraMastery. I was just thinking today, what if I give you a 3D shining text effect tutorial like in MrBeast games? And to spice things up, let's do this tutorial using your phone. Now use this option right here to start off a new project. Now, go to the stock right here and choose this type of solid image, then import. Now from the options below, add text, and then I'm going to customize it like this. And now, after all customizations, I have this kind of a video clip and then export. And now the next thing is to import the video that your text will be on. Once that is done, use this option right here, PIP, and then import the video that you just exported. And now, you select the PIP video, and from these options below here, go to the Smart Cutout option. You're going to find the chroma key and then select it. Use the chroma key to key out the yellow color and only leave the text without the background. And that is going to leave you the text without the background. Now the last move, go to the Effects tab right here and then search for the effect called Ray Scan. Once it shows up, select it over there and then it starts showing up in the timeline. Right here you can select your effect and then go to the effect setting right here with this option that is called Object. When you select it, it asks you if you want the effect to affect the main track, the PIP, or all. Now for this case right here, we want the effect to affect only the PIP. And once it's done, we now have a nice swiping effect only on the titles, not on the video. And that is it. You got it. There's no more reason to keep you here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you in the next episode. Bye-bye.